Girl, that look like your real hair. Girl, you can't even see no neck. Wow.
If it's not tomorrow,
whoa.
You what?
I just want to leave this wig like this, like, wow.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gonna hold it. And that bitch, I thought that they told you.
Hey Boujee Baby Department, I am back with another video. Return subscriber. Hey, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the Boujee crew, because it's the Boujee way no way, period. So today I'm back with another wig install. This wig is from XrsBeauty. I love this wig. Wait till y'all see this install, okay? I just loved it. It was amazing. This is a 22-inch, 200% density wig. The clear lace. My lace is kind of scrunchy. I think I pulled it too tight, but it's like it's giving. And then I did the soft baby hair, so these are not like hard and crunchy. These are just soft. And yeah, you'll see in the video how I got this look. If you like this wig, make sure you check out the links in my description, because you're gonna need it. You're gonna need this wig. You're gonna love this clear lace. You're gonna love it, because I fell in love. Like, you're gonna hear the commentary in this video because we were so shocked. Me and my Boujee were so shocked. It was crazy. But anyways, yeah, so make sure y'all check out the links in the description. Get this wig. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Hope y'all enjoy. All right, so today I'm gonna be installing XrsBeauty, as I told y'all in the introduction. So they sent me a lot of goodies. In my box. So this is the box, XrsBeauty. This is the orange box it comes in, and inside of my box I received elastic band, edge brush, a big comb that I need for my real hair, like to comb it out when I'm blow drying it, 2 clips, a wig cap, and some curling rods. I don't know how to use these, but I want to learn so I can use these, because I know your curls come out real cute with these. So I'm gonna try to use these, not today, but one day. So thank y'all for sending me these. So yeah, they sent me a lot of goodies. So before we actually get into laying the wig, this is the wig. It is a 22-inch straight, 200% density, and I'm going to be installing the clear lace. So the new clear lace that they have. So this is going to be, hold on. Ooh. Okay, so this is going to be you have your regular lace, and then you have your clear transparent lace, right? So I'm going to show y'all this close up, but hold on. So you have the regular transparent lace, and then you have the new clear lace. So I'm going to be putting both of these on my skin with Got To Be glue, so you guys can see like the difference. Like, there's a big difference. The new clear lace, it literally blends into your skin perfectly. And then you have this one that's still kind of white on the skin. Hold on. I want y'all to see it without it even being blow dried though. So let me see. Like this. This is the lace without it even being blow dried. You see this? The regular transparent lace versus the new clear lace. You see this difference? Look at this on my skin. Boom. Look how good it blends compared to this. You see how this is still kind of white, and then this one is like literally melting. And I haven't even did nothing. So focus, focus, focus. All right. So this is the clear lace. Boom. About to blow dry real quick. So that's blow dried. Hello?
Hello, Barbie. This is Steve at the desk. Your mom's on property.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I'll send her out. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye.
Bye.
Okay, so new clear lace to transparent regular lace. Hold on. So you can see like how it, I don't know, but hold on, I'm trying to focus it more on, let me turn it over. So the clear lace is way better than the regular transparent lace. Look how seamless this one is on the right. The new clear lace. So that's the one I'm about to lay down. That's what I'm about to install. Okay, so let's get into the installation. Alexa, volume 5. Ooh, I don't know. I got a straight. Mama, come. Mama. I'm gonna put this straight wig on. See if you can see my bun big. Is it real big in the back? No. You can't tell? You can't even tell. You sure? Mm-hmm. That's amazing. Look how seamless this is. Look how what it is. Look at the lace. Hello? Look how big. Who's speaking? You're so pretty. You can rock anything. That's crazy. You don't have to do much to that besides. Mm-mm. Girl, that look like your real hair. Girl, you can't even see no neck. She said no neck. This is good. This is good for the video, guys. Because I'm telling y'all, this is their clear lace. You want to go get this wig, okay? This is their girl, clear lace. This is gonna be my wig. Nah, I'm keeping it. Who hair is this? XrsBeauty. Girl, I'm finna email them right now. They need to send me another one. Wow. Yeah, this is a good wig. XRS. What lace? Let me see. You what? I just want to leave this wig like this, like, wow. Now if I would have laid this with Ghost Bond or like a real glue, this would really be very seamless. Now I use freeze spray and got to be gel, so you know the freeze spray sometimes leaves a white residue, so that's why you can see kind of some of the spray on the sides, but other than that, this is very seamless. Wow.
If it's not tomorrow, you should like, cause it might take like a couple days.
So right here, you guys, I'm doing the soft baby hair look. So you basically, you know, part out your baby hairs, and then you cut them and you trim them, and you have to curl them with the flat irons. I just ordered me a smaller flat iron so it'll be easier. So you curl them with the flat irons, and then to tame them, you use a little bit of freeze spray. Not a lot, just spray a little freeze spray on your edge brush, and just basically just brush it into like the form it's going in. Like if you like it, whatever. I was trying to get mine to do like a little curl to the front, but I couldn't get it, so I just did it like this right here, and it came out very natural looking, very soft, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing. All right. Definitely have to play around with it a little bit, you know, keep cutting, keep curling until you get what you want. So it took me a few times, but it definitely is a cute, like I like it more than like what I usually do, because they're very soft looking. They don't look crispy and stuck, you know.